Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another skincare video. Some of you guys have been asking me about my skincare routine in the comment section below. So I thought why not make a nice dedicated video for it. So it's been a while since I've done a morning skincare routine and my skincare routine has definitely changed a lot. So yes, I don't have a particular skincare routine like this is the only product that I use for my skin. It's nothing like that. I test a lot of different products out, but there's this one specific brand that I'm trying out right now and I thought I'll share it with you guys. So the brand that I have been currently using for my skin is Wow Skin Science. Let me get this out of the way. It's not a sponsored video. It's something that I have been genuinely using since the past couple of weeks. So I thought why not share it with you guys. So yeah, I've been using the vitamin C range since the past couple of weeks and I'm really loving it. So I'm here with a little review for you guys. So before we begin with the video, please make sure that you guys have subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe for more beauty, fashion and lifestyle related videos. And now let's get right into the video. So I will be showing everything in order of my skincare routine. So first let's get started with cleansing. So this is the face wash that I have been using currently. This is the Wow Skin Science Brightening Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash and this is how it looks like. If you guys haven't tried this very popular packaging of face wash yet, then you guys definitely have to. It's so much fun to use. I really love it. In the last video I also shared the green tea wala face wash. It comes in the same packaging and again I really love these face washes, and it's a foaming face wash, so the foam comes out and then you just gently apply this all over your face using the silicone brush, and it is very gentle on your skin. It's not at all harsh. So yes, this is something that I have been currently loving. Out of the entire vitamin C range, this one has to be my favorite. Also, this face wash did not make my skin dry, which is something that I always look into a face wash. Like, it should not make my skin dry because I have really dry skin. So since it's a foaming face wash, it did not make my skin dry. Also, it smells like fresh oranges. It is very refreshing in the morning. So I really love this for my morning skincare routine. The next product that is another favorite of mine from this entire vitamin C range is this Skin Mist Toner. This is how it looks like. It's the Vitamin C Skin Mist Toner and it helps brighten and refresh your skin. Again, this smells like fresh oranges and I really love the scent of all of these products. If you guys have sensitive skin, then please be careful. Just do a patch test on your face first and see if the fragrance is too harsh on your skin or not. I personally don't really mind a fruity fresh fragrance in my skincare. In fact, it makes me feel very refreshed. So the one thing that I absolutely love about this toner is firstly its fine mist. This is how fine the mist is. I really love it. It disperses the product so well on your skin. It's actually the only mist that I've used which has such a nice and fine mist. This product is infused with lemon essential oil, orange essential oil and witch hazel and aloe vera extracts. So you guys can see it has some really great ingredients. So a toner is really important in your skincare routine. Do not skip a toner at any cost. It helps to close all of your pores. I use this every single day when I come out of the shower. Usually when you come out of the shower, your pores are wide open, and when you apply a toner, it just shuts all of your pores. So that's one reason why a toner is very important. So this one is definitely my favorite. My next step is a serum. So I use this vitamin C face serum, again by Wow Skin Science, and a vitamin C serum is something that I have been using since a lot of months now. I have made dedicated videos about it, so you guys can go and watch those videos. I've done very informative videos about vitamin C as an ingredient in your skincare. So yeah, I'm gonna link it over here on the top. You guys can go ahead and watch it. but vitamin C serums are my favorite. I have so many of them, and this one is like a newest edition and I'm really loving it. So this one is an oil-free serum, so it is amazing for summers firstly, and also for people who have oily skin. I guess you guys are gonna love this. It does work for my dry skin as well. It does not make my skin dry or very tight at all. It works perfectly fine for my skin. It has a very gel-like consistency. This is how it looks like. It has a very gel-like consistency, but it just like seeps into your skin right away, and it does not leave any oily residue or anything on your face. It just sinks into your skin right away once you've applied it. So yeah, I'm really loving this one. The main ingredients in the serum are vitamin C, of course, witch hazel and hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is amazing for dry skin. Another really favorite ingredient of mine in my skincare routine, in my skincare products. So yes, do try out products with hyaluronic acid. They're amazing for hydration. And also fragrance is mentioned like at the very bottom of the ingredient list, so I'm assuming that there is very little fragrance, which is great. Lastly, I use an aloe vera gel, and aloe vera gel is something that I gave up on years ago because my skin is very dry, and aloe vera gel tends to like dry out on your skin. Like once you apply it, it's really hydrating, but वो dry हो जाता है after some time and it makes your skin very tight. So I gave up on aloe vera gel like years ago, but this one that I tried by Wow Skin is just amazing. Firstly, let's appreciate the packaging. It comes in this aloe vera leaf ka shape and it looks so cool. So this is the Pure Vitamin C Daily Face Gel with aloe vera. So this is basically a daily face gel infused with aloe vera, and I have to say that this does not like dry out on my skin that quickly jitna you know दूसरे aloe vera gels होते थे. I really love this one a lot more than the other ones, and trust me, I've tried a lot of other brands and they all were like never really enough hydrating for my skin, but this one definitely is. I do sometimes go in with my moisturizer after using this on days when my skin is extra dry, because I do get a lot of eczema on my skin. But aloe vera as an ingredient in your skincare routine is just amazing. This one has a lot of other really amazing ingredients. So this has aloe vera leaf extract, it has glycerin, it has hyaluronic acid, also has lemon essential oil and orange essential oil, just like other products. And again, this one also smells like fresh oranges. It has a really strong scent of oranges. Yeah, I find it very refreshing. I don't know about you guys, but I really like it. Yes, this is something that I have been definitely loving a lot these days for my morning skincare routine. This is definitely a must try. If you guys are looking for a really nice affordable aloe vera gel, then definitely go for this one. The last product is not something from my morning skincare routine. It's something which I use every single night. This is again by Wow Skin Science. It's their Pure Vitamin C Sleeping Night Gel with aloe vera. This is how it looks like. It's the exact same packaging. This is a daily gel and this is like a night sleeping gel. The texture of both of these gels are very similar. They almost feel very similar on your skin, but this one smells differently, and also the ingredients in this product are pretty different. I went through the ingredient list of this product and I found out that it contains niacinamide in it. I really love the combination of vitamin C and niacinamide in skincare products. I have been using it since a very long time. You guys can watch my in-depth video and find out the benefits of niacinamide as well. I just love to scoop out a pea-sized amount of product on my palm and I just apply it like a nice sleeping mask all over my face, and it just feels very calming on my skin. So this entire vitamin C range is definitely a thumbs up from my side. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box below. Please don't forget to check that out. So yes, this is it for my current morning skincare routine. I hope you guys found the video helpful. All the product links are in the description box below. Also, do leave any suggestions, recommendations, or like any questions that you have in the comment section below. I would reply to every single one of you. If you guys like today's video, then please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.